How to buy or sell crypto on CoinMarketCap step by step 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about CoinMarketCap and how you're going to be easily able to buy or sell any type of cryptocurrency on it. So, to start things off, first of all, here we have CoinMarketCap. Now, let me tell you this that CoinMarketCap does not have a direct buy or sell link like spot trading or anything like that you can find on other cryptocurrency exchanges. So, for this, what you're going to do is let's say we're here on CoinMarketCap and you like any token that you want to go ahead with. So, let's say I'm going to go with let's go with Solana. Okay. Let's say I want to go ahead and buy Solana or invest something in Solana. Now, what happens over here is usually with every token that you have, what you're going to find is the contract that it's linked up with or the contract address that it will be automatically linked to. So, what you can do in that case is you're going to copy over that contact address and go ahead and apply it into any wallet of yours which you use to buy tokens, okay? And it's really simple to do so for yourself. Just make sure to choose the correct token. Make sure to choose the token that you want to operate or work with, and simply go ahead and get proper addresses off of it. Okay. And it can, range from different cryptocurrencies. You can go with many of them. And as you can see, it's going to give you this over here, which will say contracts. And right about here, this is the contract address. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy the clipboard and as I said, go to any wallet that you have. So I have Trust Wallet. Now I can come over to my Trust Wallet. And what I can do over here is I can easily have this minted. Or what I can even do is come here and here it says add to Trust Wallet. Okay. Now, in some cases, your network might not be supported for the corresponding, application. So do make sure to just create different wallets for yourself that will give you the proper blockchain that you need to access crypto from CoinMarketCap. Okay. So just create a new wallet, choose any different blockchain that will be compatible with the necessary needs. So as you can see, we have this wallet here. You're going to go over to your networks. Obviously, you're going to make sure that whatever network you choose is going to be based on the different, crypto chains that you're actually going off for. So let's say I'm going to currently change myself off to, let's go ahead with BNB. Okay. So you switch yourself over to this, simply come here. And again, you can either go with MetaMask or Trust Wallet in any way that you want. Copy this address. And once the address is copied, what you can simply do off from there, open up. And if you want to sell it, what you can do is you can send it off to anyone. So let's say if we add the address over here, it should generally find it. And same goes for the receiving. Okay. And also, you can simply go ahead and buy and sell them as well by simply going over to Trust Wallet itself. All you're gonna need to do is you're going to make sure that the supported currency is added over here and the proper relevant coin market cap address is added in this section as well. And obviously, once that is added, what you can do simply from there is go ahead, buy and sell the crypto using any other trust wallet that you have. And that is how you're going to buy or sell on coin market cap. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.